G'day guys, Matty from Forming Sessions Australia. So I'm going to show you how to spin a winch. So I need this handle up on top now with the new bar. So I'm going to show you how to pull it off and how to spin it. It's not that hard, it should only take us a couple of minutes. So all you got to do is undo all these little bolts at the end here. So now, I want to give it a bit of a tap. A little water in there. That's it. And then all you got to do is spin it and put it back on. I'm going to give that a bit of a new, just put some new grease in there and clean her out a bit. It's a fair bit of water. So all you do is put your cover back on and just spin it around, and the gears will spin with it, and then just do it back up and you're all done.